Guys, I want you to see what just came, what was just dumped on my plate. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. And today we're in Ozark, Missouri. We're just south of Springfield, and we are at Lamberts Cafe. You may or may not have heard of this place, but it is world famous. People come from all over the U.S. to come just to eat here. This place is a destination, and they are the home of the throne roll. I hear it's an experience to eat here, and I hear they have some of the best home southern cooking you'll find anywhere. I can't wait to eat here, so go on, let's go try them. Okay guys, Mr. Lambert, he started the original cafe right here in Springfield, and they just had a few employees, just one little countertop, but they served such great food that they just kept growing and growing. And now this restaurant right here, the main restaurant, has a 700 capacity.
Do you guys like any fried okra?
Our food just got here. I want you guys to look at this beans and these chunks of ham. That's like half a hog. Gigantic chunks of ham, mashed potatoes, green beans. Got my cornbread right here. I want you to see what my wife got over here. She got meatloaf, baked beans, corn, mashed potatoes. We got rolls coming to our table. We got fried okra. We got fried potatoes. We got some macaroni and tomatoes coming to our table. Oh, this place just keeps, the food just keeps coming and coming and coming. Oh yeah, we're doing good. We're doing great. That was our server. He's done a great job. Okay guys, so I'm told that the whole idea of the throne roll, it came from the original owner, Mr. Lambert. Apparently one day in the restaurant, he was just passing out rolls to the customers just right there at their table. Somebody in the back of the restaurant said, "Hey, I'd like a roll. Just toss it to me." So he tossed it to him, and ever since then, the throne roll has been in existence. And they are famous for it, world famous for the tossed throne roll. And it's so cool when you're here. You got rolls just coming overhead, rolls going to people. It's awesome. You got to come here just to see the rolls flying in the air. Ah, yes. Okay guys, this is really cool. See this right here? That's fried okra coming around. They come around here with fried okra and fried potatoes and all this stuff. They just come around and dump it on your plate as much as you want. As much as you want of those sides. They're gonna come around. Let's see if we can get her attention. Fried okra? How about it?
On your plate?
Awesome, thank you. You hear how loud it is in here? This place is really cool. So I'm gonna try to get, I hope you can hear me okay. I wanna try these beans. Oh, these look so good. Look at this. Seasoned really well. I didn't even put any salt and pepper or anything in them, and these are so good. Let me try my green beans over here. These look really good. And they are. Those are real deal mashed potatoes. Oh, those are good. Oh wow, those are seasoned really well. And this okra is to die for. You've got to come here just for the okra, baby. I can't wait till the potatoes get around here. I'm ready for those fried potatoes. Yeah. Guys, I want you to see what just came, what was just dumped on my plate. Look at those fried potatoes. Those look like some of the best I've ever seen. Let's dig in. Oh wow. Crunch on the edge, perfectly seasoned. In the middle, they're nice and nice. Perfect. Those really are, I mean, fried potatoes are very simple, but these really are some of the best fried potatoes I've ever had. Wow. Okay guys, I want you to look at what I am taking home here. Look at this. That's a cinnamon roll the size of my head. They call this thing the hubcap. I can't wait to dive into that, but I'm so full from my meal. There's no way we're taking it back to the hotel with us, and we're gonna dive in later on. Guys, this place is amazing. Food, phenomenal. I am stuffed. I mean, stuffed. Ever anywhere close to Springfield, or if you're anywhere within a 3, 5, 10 hour radius, make sure you get here to Lambert's. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see ya.